Hey folks, it's November 8th, 2022, Election Day in the United States of America. Regardless of your political affiliation, I hope that you went out today and cast your vote. Democracy matters, your vote matters. Let your voice be heard. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. We've been out having a very fun, busy, and productive summer, particularly with the 72 Sea King runabout that we've been restoring for the past year. Today I want to share a very quick and simple project that my son and I recently completed. That's going to be related to the tilt handle on the hood of the outboard motor. Let's go. So if you've been following my videos for the past year, you've seen the progress that we've made taking this boat from basically a garden planter in the backyard of my wife's home down in Massachusetts to what it is today. We've made a lot of progress. We've had a lot of fun along the way. It's been very rewarding. However, as with any 50-year-old project, there are things that are going to be difficult to source. And one of those things is the tilt handle for the outboard motor. This would normally have been a plastic piece that is just an insert that goes in. It would have had two little pins, little plastic pins that went through these holes here, and you would have had standard body pop-on fasteners that would have gone on the back of those pins. I have searched eBay, I've searched Craigslist across the country, I've looked at all kinds of rare outboard parts websites, just can't find any. For that matter, I haven't really had a whole lot of luck finding new hoods either, which I would have gladly purchased a hood just for that insert if need be, but again, just no luck. So my son looked at me the other day and he said, well, Dad, we got all this modern technology available to us. Why don't we just 3D print one? So that's exactly what we did. So I had him, he's a whiz in SolidWorks, so he took the dimensions, got out his vernier caliper, and he went in, he took all the inner dimensions and measured everything out the way it needed to be. I gave him some of the design choices, the way I would like to see it designed in the final product. He modeled it all out in SolidWorks, exported it to a CITL file for 3D printing. For those of you who do 3D printing, you'll understand that. For those of you who do not, sorry, Google. And then we got it onto the printer and away we went. It took 2 attempts. I didn't like the design of the first one, but we nailed it on the second one. So here's the design. Here's the printing of the part. Here's a little show off of the part after it was printed. And here is what it looks like and how easy it is to install. Boom, simple as that. Just need a couple of fasteners on the inside to hold it secure. And that's going to be a much more comfortable part for tilting this handle when we're out on the water. So that's it. Short and sweet, like I said. My wife and I are both just recovering from the flu, so I apologize. I'm a little bit coughy and don't have much of a voice. As always, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe. Let us know that you support us, and we'll keep posting more as we have time. Wow. Thank y'all.